believe your soulmate string led you to me?
Yeah, I was in my space shuttle, and the next thing I know, I'm being pulled into your spaceship.
So this must mean that you are a human.
Yeah, this technology is amazing. Is this your ship?
Yes, please do not touch anything. My mother will get very upset.
Mother? Wait, who's your mom?
She is the queen of this galaxy, and she does not
A
like—
human. Get him.
Whoa, hey, I come in peace.
Mother, wait. We are connected. He is my soulmate, see?
Bring the human to my lab.
No, hey, guys, wait! Princess, please, do something!
Make sure he can't move.
Stop, no, let me go!
You must kiss the human to detach your string.
You will allow us to do that?
Yes, remove his helmet.
No!
What is wrong, human?
I can't breathe.
Go on, kiss him to remove the string, then he shall die.
I wanna let him unwrap me like a loon. Get on top of him by the fireplace, but I don't want nobody high.
Get adopted by a fireman or a billionaire? I think we should go with fireman because he's gonna keep us safe.
Yeah, I think so too.
No billionaire.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
So, what are your names?
I'm Margot.
I'm Edith.
And this is Agnes.
Nice to meet you. Well, this is my home. I'll be right back.
Okay. This place is kinda creepy.
It is.
There's nothing to watch. Did you hear that?
I did. What was that?
Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I think it's coming from over there. There was definitely someone down there. I told you, Agnes, we should have picked the fireman.
Excuse me, I need to speak with you.
Me?
Yes, you. I have a secret that you need to know.
There once was a lass in to sea, ordered by the king to stay away from me. A princess should not fall in love with a commoner and a thief. So I sang this siren song in hopes one day she will come home with more than her weight in gold to take.
I let you hold my baby and I want her back. Please, hold my baby. Ma'am, I'm sorry, do you even hear yourself? It's been 7 years. I waited hours for you to come back, and when you didn't, I decided to raise that baby by myself. As far as I'm concerned, she's my kid now.
No, that is what you call kidnapping.
That is not.
It absolutely is. I am calling the police.
What's wrong, Mom?
Honey, are you happy here with me?
Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be?
Well, there's no easy way to say this, but I'm not actually your real mom.
What are you talking about?
So, that's how I became your mom. But now, your biological mom wants you back.
I don't care if you're not my real mom. I want to stay with you.
Police, open the door, please.
Oh no.
Please don't let them take me.
So, what's your secret?
I have a secret lab, and I know you girls saw it.
No, we didn't.
Don't lie to me. I have cameras everywhere. I saw you.
Creepy much? Okay, maybe we did.
Well, I can't have you telling anyone about the lab.
Uh-huh. Sounds like I should be calling CPS.
No, I need you girls to help me with my plan.
And what plan is that exactly?
Go get your sisters and follow me.
Whoa, what is that?
Is that a laser?
No.
Who are you?
I'm the doctor you saw in the lab.
Well, what is this thing?
My greatest achievement, a shrink ray.
And we need human subjects to test it on.
The doctor and I created this together.
Wait a minute, so you're telling us that the only reason you adopted us was so you could use us as your lab rats?
Not cool, dude.
Yeah, I think we'll pass on that.
Actually, we weren't asking.
Run!
Wait.
Pick a title, famous or queen. I mean, who wouldn't want to be royalty? Wait, Queen of Men? What does that even mean?
Hey girl, what's wrong?
I don't know, I just got a really weird title, Queen of Men.
Ooh, I wonder what that means. Hey, somebody's looking nice today.
Ross, you literally have hated me since the 3rd grade.
You're too funny. I think you can control men.
There's no way.
You have 10 missing assignments. I'm calling your parents.
Please don't tell them, I'm gonna get grounded.
Actually, on second thought, take as long as you need. I won't tell anyone, beautiful.
You can control them.
Hey, I did your chemistry homework. Thanks.
Go get me some Chick-fil-A, please.
Yeah, of course, anything for you. You're kind of taking advantage of—
Go away, my crush is coming. Hey, Tyler. Go on a date with me?
Huh, maybe, but first, go break up with my girlfriend for me.
Now your biological mom wants you back.
I don't care if you're not my real mom. I want to stay with you.
Police, open the door, please.
Oh no.
Please don't let them take me.
Honey? Shh. She's sleeping. Sorry, but what did the officer tell you? That I'm supposed to give her back to her biological mom tomorrow. What? That can't be right. I promised her that she could stay with me. Oh, don't you worry. We'll figure this out.
Police.
I'll get it.
Miss Stevens?
Yes?
I'm here because we have reason to believe someone came to your house pretending to be an officer today. Him and his wife have been taken into custody.
Wait, so this means that I can keep her?
Your daughter? Yes, absolutely. We actually believe they were trying to kidnap her.
Honey, wake up. You don't have to worry anymore. You can stay with me.
Really?
Yeah, come here.
Wait!
We don't want to try out your machine.
Yeah.
It's okay, girls. You don't have to try it if you don't want to.
We don't?
No. But sir, we only adopted them because— That's enough, Doctor. We're not forcing them to do anything.
Thanks for taking us to get food, sir.
Girls, please, you don't have to call me sir.
Can we call you Dad?
Agnes.
I was just asking.
You can call me whatever you like.
I feel like Darren likes us.
I like him too.
But that doctor, she creeps me out.
Yeah, same.
Good night, girls.
Good night, Dad.
Dad?
Hello. I need you to come with me. It's time for you to try out the machine. Shh. Look, my soulmate can control my hands or my hair. I think I'm gonna go with hands.
Oh, no you don't. That's very inappropriate. Pick hair.
But
This isn't up for debate. Eat the other one.
fine. I swear, Mom, my soulmate better not give me a weird hairstyle. Bye, Mom. I'm going to school now.
Honey?
What? Oh, why won't these come out?
You may not remove hairstyle.
No, I can't go to class like this.
The preschool's that way.
Shut up. I didn't pick this hair. My soulmate did. If he gives me one more bad hairstyle, I'm done.
Sup, Wednesday?
What?
Have you not looked in a mirror?
That's not Wednesday, that's Thursday.
Wow, so clever.
Are you okay?
I'm so mad at my soulmate. He gave me this dumb hairstyle and I can't take it off, and people are calling me really mean names.
What? I think you look cute.
Well, thanks, but no one else does.
What do you want your hair to be?
I don't know, like curly hair, I guess.
Huh. Well, I hope it happens for you.
Wait, what? Time to see how much money my boyfriend has in his bank account. Not that that's important. I knew he had money, but not that much money. I'm gonna pay him a little visit.
Hey.
Hey, handsome.
I shouldn't tell him I know what's in his bank account.
So, baby, what do you want for Christmas?
Well, there is this Gucci bag that I really like, but you know what? What am I saying? You don't have to get me anything.
Come on. Of course I'm getting you something. In fact, you might get that Gucci bag as long as you're not too naughty.
I'll try.
Right now, why don't you go out and buy yourself whatever you need?
Okay.
Bad news.
What?
Fluffy's sick. The vet says she needs surgery.
Well, how much is it?
It's about $2,000. We can't afford it.
You know what? I think I got it covered.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, good. Babe, I'm
Whoa.
it.
Back. Listen, it's not what it looks like.
We can't break up. I need his money. I can't break up with him. I need his money.
Her and I are just friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Babe, I made a mistake. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We all make mistakes, and it was my bad, really. I should have knocked before coming in.
Thanks for understanding. She kind of made a mess. Do you think you can clean up? I gotta go to work.
Of course, honey. I'll clean, and you just go make the money.
Thanks, babe. Love you. Bye.
He is so dead.
I'm so happy Fluffy's okay, but how did you get the money to pay for her surgery?
Mom, about that. There's something that I need to tell you.
I can't believe he cheated on you.
I know, but now that Fluffy's okay, I think I'm gonna go break up with him.
What?
Looks like he just got another paycheck.
And you still have his credit card. Don't break up just yet. I have a